This is my review of the RevitaLash Advanced Eyelash Conditioner. This product you put onto your lashes at night, very gingerly, like that, and go to sleep. And it is designed to assist your eyelashes. I have loved the product. I have great results with the product. RevitaLash Advanced, it has always been really a great product for me, and I have loved it. I will switch up between this one and a couple of the other ones because I don't like to stay with one eyelash conditioner for too long. I will use this one, then I'll switch to something else. But it is definitely in the rotation, and I love to use it every single night so that I can see great results. You should put this in your cart today.